Hi everyone, thank you for clicking this video. Today we are in 5 to 7 batch, and you know guys, they are going to discuss and they are discussing on the topic of Chinese products should be banned or not. As you know guys, it is very controversial topic, and there are many Indians for the nationalism. They say that yeah, Chinese product it should be banned, but there are many people they say that no, Chinese products it should not be banned because of international relations, because of there are many reasons. So what the trainees opinion here, there are some trainees they are talking about that they are supporting that Chinese product it should be banned in our country. And if I talk about these people, they are supporting that Chinese product should not be banned. I don't know why. Guys, you are from China? Excuse me. No, they are from India. They are Indian, but they are supporting that Chinese product it should not be banned. Let us know and let us know the opinion of the people why they are supporting that Chinese product should not be banned and Chinese product should be banned. Okay, so Mr. Prince, I want to know that why do you think that Chinese product it should not be banned?
Because nowadays we not have any alternative. That's why I want to.
We don't have any alternative. That's why you want to. Okay, and Imzimam, what do you think that why it should not be banned?
Sir, it should sir not be done because sir, as we know all that sir, Chinese products are more sir cheaper and affordable to the all the Indian citizen.
Oh,
Sir, as we sir ban the electronics products like sir Xiaomi and the matlab iPhones, then sir there sir will be no more such resources that everyone, and there will be sudden increase in the price of the electronic devices, that about 40 to 50%. Like I want to give an example, like everyone can afford.
excuse me, don't share all the opinion because they are listening very carefully and they can definitely they can steal your point. Yes, Varsha, what do you think that
I think uh,
Chinese products should be banned or not? It should not be banned. Why?
because they are affordable for
It is affordable.
common for people.
Hmm.
So Indians depend on Chinese
Chinese
product.
product.
Yes. So
Very nice. Okay, let us talk to these trainees. They are supporting that Chinese product. It should be banned. Why, yes, Mr. Prabhakar, I want to ask to you that why do you think that Chinese product it should be banned?
Yes, sir. If you want to save our country, and if you want to save our economic, and if you want to increase our employees
Employment.
employment, and improve our Indian product quality, if you want to,
Yeah, I think you guys believe on make in India and made in India. Very nice. That's good. Mr. Kadir, how are you? Is there any shari for for this?
No, sir. Is there any kind of sari?
There is
Nothing.
no shari. Is there any Chinese shari?
No, no Chinese sari, Indian sari, sir.
There are Indian shari. Please.
Nothing, sir. But just I am supporting Indian products, sir.
Indian products. So you are supporting the Indian shari as well.
Yes.
So do you have any shari
I have in my mobile, sir.
in your mobile phone? But don't use mobile phone. Okay. So why do you think that Chinese product it should be banned?
Chinese products should be banned because of there are here are a lot of businessmen and small businessmen industries, so they cannot be grow because of those products, Chinese product. So we should promote our industries, companies, and
Right.
our businessmen, sir. That's why I'm
We should
supporting.
promote like local brand as well. Yes, Mr. Utsav. What do you think?
Sir, Chinese products should be banned
Why?
because they don't think about product quality. They just think about product quantity. That's why they sell product cheaper than us. But if you want a reliable product, then we should consider our product.
Very nice. That's good. Mr. Vikas, what do you think that the Chinese product should not be banned?
Chinese products should be banned
Why?
because because we purchase Chinese product, we will be boost one Chinese economy, and I have used Indian product, then India boost economy.
India will be the developed country. As well, we know that China is a developed country, but our country is a developing country, and we should promote the local brand as well, so that India can be developed country one day. Okay, guys. So these trainees, they were discussing on this topic that Chinese products should be banned or not. They keep on watching this video. We will meet in debate, and they will be fighting why it should be banned and why it should not be banned. Okay, so please clap for your team. The energy of this team is showing that they are more energetic and they are going to rock. Disclaimer, as you know, guys, you cannot speak a single word of Hindi language, and you cannot show the finger. If you are supporting that Chinese product should be banned, then support from the bottom of your heart. अपनी दिल की गहराइयों से सपोर्ट करिए. But if you are supporting it should not be banned, speak from the bottom of your heart. Don't make this debate as a fun debate. Talk seriously so people can know and they can get something from you. Are you getting my point? So let us start. Mr. Kadir.
Good evening to all panelists. This is Mikadir. I am from Siddhant Nagar. Firstly, I would like to say my gratitude, humble respect, sir, Mr. Rase sir, for having me this golden opportunity. Thank you so much, sir. Today's topic: Chinese products should be banned or not. I am favor of Chinese products should be banned because of we are promoting only Chinese product. Most of the imports coming from Chinese, and we are supporting only, we are the purpose of not the purpose of India is not only to be get a cheaper product, but it is purpose our Indian small business and like a industry, domestic industry should be promoted. So should be promoted. So why are you only supporting of Chinese product? We should be we are, you are saying that like a Indian has not become a like a great city, great developed country. So only you are saying that like a China have been become a great, have been they are like increasing day by day. So we should promote our country, we should develop our country. So why are you supporting, why are you saying like Chinese products should not be banned? It's my point.
India ban Chinese product, do you have any alternative to get the same quality and same price?
Yes, you are saying that like a cheaper quality, you are saying you are only like looking only cheaper quality. So
Looking both cheap and quality both.
so like if I talk about Chinese product, only quantity not a quality. they are they are only making only quantity not a quality. So here are a lot of businessmen, they are making a lot of things. We should promote our businessmen, our Indian culture.
You know this Xiaomi mobile phone.
Yes,
It
I
is
know very
also
well.
Chinese product, but
Yes, I know.
it have the quality.
A very warm and supercalifragilistic evening to everyone. This is me, Garima Sharma. I'm from Lucknow itself. Today, we are here to debate on this topic that Chinese products should be banned in India or not. So, I'm supporting definitely it should be banned, but thus it should not be completely banned. We should impose ban on Chinese product, but with this strategy. At first, we will start it by the unusable things, like not that much usable thing, like on toys, and the we should start ban by imposing the firecrackers and the lights which are used in our India. So I'm not telling let just do it at once, but start it gradually. Then our India will be developed. Thank you.
Like like firecrackers, they are only used at once. There is no need of any saying that can be used again and again.
So where I'm
Firecrackers, you sir, we have to use only once, that we have to burst them. And sir, talking about sir toys sir, they are sir making, they are sir much affordable and so much sir, and so much sir, so much sir creative. They are sir giving us sir toys sir, that is sir so much sir, so much sir, sir creative, and sir like sir is small sir traders like the shopkeepers, they are they are using it, sir. They can afford it, so they can do sir, sir, they are doing for their, sir, survival, as sir they are so cheap and affordable, so they are, sir, sir, they are so purchasing that and using, and so it's a, sir, it's a, sir, very, sir, good thing, and that's all, sir.
So yeah, I agree too that they are cheap, but our Indians are not that much costly. Firstly, we should start.
Which, like,
See?
it's
Sorry,
giving anything, firstly give example,
sir.
then
I'm
I can
giving
understand.
yeah, I'm giving example, and if we don't purchase the firecrackers and the lights, which is coming from the China, like which is made from China, firstly we will support our vendors, which they are like, if there is a tag of made in India, if we will take that, then definitely, if all people of India have that narratives, even if it is cheaper, but I will support to my country, because that is the national issue. If we,
Oh.
sir, firstly let me complete. If we continue taking the China's product, then our condition will be just like Sri Lanka. The China will impose, like, we will be totally dependent on that. Today
We are,
also we
okay, continue.
today also we are so much dependent on that. So we will start. Initiative will be difficult, but it should be.
We are talking here about only about festivals,
Mhm.
okay, and we are here talking about the creativity. If the things are more, if the thing is more, if the thing are more creative, then we can purchase it, and we only give, this is the full, this is full, this is full journey, you have to do this, all the all the other are taking that, they are making only the, they are doing evolution in that firecrackers, in all the things they are doing, but in India we can see that they are only saying this is Ananya Pandey, this is, they are using the stars, they are only, they are only doing such things, they are not using anything like uh, creativity is sir not there, sir. That's a main thing that that everyone is, that everyone is not purchasing. So it is the main reason that everyone is supporting uh, China's only China's product, and before there is no, sir. May I give example?
Of course.
They are using only famous celebrities, like I'm giving another example, they are using any famous celebrities, so this purchase it, but after having after the completion of the contract, after the completion of contract, that sir, that, sir, product gone, डोंट बी, सर, मतलब उनको, सर, कोई, सर, पूछता भी नहीं, यूज ऐसा एकदम होता ही नहीं है, मतलब ये चीज होती, क्योंकि वो लोग टाइम के साथ इवॉल्व नहीं करते हैं, क्योंकि उन लोग का क्या होता है कि सर समय, मतलब टाइम इन, सर, दे, सर, डोंट इवॉल्व, सर, एट थिंग्स, so that this is the, sir, main reason, and
So may I ask one question? Which are the products which are like heroines and
yes,
actors are promoting,
promoting
which
like,
are made of India or China?
yes, I am talking about the China
Sir,
product,
firstly answer.
like Xiaomi phone, Xiaomi phone.
Show me for me.
Yes, Xiaomi. You don't know Xiaomi? Poco phone, everything they are promoting. So why why the only, why the government don't say that don't promote this product, promote Nokia, that is our Indian. Nokia and Lava. Where is the Nokia and where is the Lava? No one talk, because after after, so that after time to time they had not, they have not done evolution. They have not come to that time period. Like, this is the main reason that everyone is not purchasing the. Yes, that's the only reason. It is.
No, I'm not speechless. Okay. There are two products.
Okay.
Sir, who buys the products? Who purchase products?
Me?
We?
Customer.
Yes. So, have you ever seen that the numbers of products which are purchased, it is increased in the like Chinese or Indian? Like we are purchasing more Indian product or Chinese product?
We are purchasing more both. I can say
Both?
both, but more Chinese product. I can say that more.
Why?
Why? I have given the reason
Mhm.
before. No, because of it's not the celebrities, because of the creativity in the toys.
Sir,
In the starting, you have seen that like the firecrackers, like in the festival, you are talking about the toys. These are the basic thing which only children are purchasing. They see the things.
sir,
That's the main.
celebrities are only the medium to advertise anything which should be published.
This should be published.
Sir,
Yes.
when we create anything good in India, which is India's product, then celebrities will also advertise that. So we need to create at first.
That's I'm saying. First,
So
first
when we
only
will create,
first
when
only
we will create,
first only
when,
create
when
the product.
the people like
then
you,
they will come.
when the people
They will
like you
come
have
to you,
credible thoughts for Indians product also.
I-
It's only not for saying. You are only saying that India is not like India is not making. Firstly, when you people will believe.
I will.
We have made like lava and whatever.
Nokia.
What was Nokia? Uh,
You don't know the name before.
no, I forgot. Sorry.
Before after 2000 time, every star, everyone has the Nokia phone only, and every in the house there is the Nokia phone. Where is that phone? And now they are using
I have
iPhone.
lava phone. I have lava phone.
You have
I
only
will
lava
show-
phone, na?
Yeah.
You have only lava. You have Nokia phone. No, no,
Sorry?
no. We are
I don't
talking
have
about
phone,
the
my
majority.
phone.
We are
Yes.
talking about the majority here, not this have. Yes, you have forget the name, the basic,
Sir,
the starting.
To
Okay.
err is human. To err is human.
Yes.
We human forget things.
Forget things.
So it is my mistake. I'm accepting it.
You said that Nokia and Lava Mobile
Are the
left.
Indian ones? Yes.
So this is our problem. We should purchase, then leave all the phones, Chinese phones. We should promote our Indian phone.
He said that creativity, as the evolution is going on, and there is no any doing anything. They are making that only which was loved by the 90s children. That the main reason. They are not growing with the time, and the time never stops. You know that.
Yes, I know.
Sir, as we are Indians and we are using the phone which is made of China, so you have like
Okay,
can you let me complete at first? So, haven't you heard the things that phone has burst a lot of times?
I am not.
Have you ever heard the Indian phone has burst? Have you ever heard? Have you ever heard?
Yes, I have heard.
Oh, sir, this is clearly visible from your face that you are lying. That you are lying.
We are not talking about hair burst. We are talking
Sir.
about purchasing the product. Why we are purchasing?
We are talking about the quality. We are talking about the
if
quality.
You are,
Mhm.
if you are affording the iPhone, that you can purchase. There we are talking about why we are taking the raw. We are taking the materials. Yes. Yes. I am talking about the
accepting, but,
creativity, not the
sir,
burst, not this
creativity
thing.
comes when there have some value. Like the quality should also be like greater. Why the quality is not good?
Quality is good.
Sir,
Quality is
you
good.
people are only promoting China, and China is fooling you at first. They are giving.
No, China is
are-
not fooling us, because in the today era, everyone is using that phone. After banning all the phone, you can. Okay, sorry. After banning all the phones of the Chinas, okay, then this iPhone will then this iPhone this iPhone price is 70,000. Then it will go above the 1 lakh. That the basic, and iPhone Pro will be the cost of 2 lakh something. That there will be the increasement of 40 to 50%. It is the
Definitely,
thing.
it will be.
It will be.
But
Yes.
the cost is not going to decide it. Like you are purchasing. Firstly, we will have to purchase, even if the cost is very high. we will purchase, we will start, then all people will start. Only because of the cost we are purchasing it, but the quality they are not even give. They are
Which
firstly-
quality do you want?
I want a better quality product.
Which, like, can you get the camera, the storage? We are talking about the bus, but yes, sir, we are talking about. Give me one more example. We are talking about the solar sectors, solar panels. We are very back, and they are giving us the technologies which are matlab, they are giving us the product which are very cheaper and affordable. But yes, sir, there we have to do that, sir, those sir things, as our this sir as our this sector is a 5 to 10 year back, and they are, sir, we want only the sir time, and the time is not getting any for anyone. So it is necessary to evolve very fast, and take the knowledge with that things, so that we can promote. You should do that things, so we can promote. You are not giving that much things, so we are not purchasing from you. That's the main reason. That's the thing. And as you also know that the solar panel that we are purchasing, its cost is very very cheaper that China is providing, and our technology is about 10 year back from that technology that they are using. And our Narendra Modi and our whole system has already said that we can do this technology about 2035 2030. Why not only in his in his time? So why?
Sir, we are developing. We are not developed. It is not very easy. You are saying it. It is not a cup of cake. Our government, they have more mind than us. Our scientists, the
So,
people, sir,
okay.
you are always interrupting. The people who are working, they have more minds than us. So it is not like it will happen gradually. So that our prime minister is saying it will happen in 35, not 2025.
It is going more and more. I want to say only one thing. Nationalism is important, but for sacrificing bots, survival is more important. That's the main thing. Okay.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Minakshi. Today's firstly, sir, thank you for giving me this opportunity. Today, I am here talking about Chinese products should be banned or not. I am supporting Chinese products should not be banned. Firstly, our India should be depend economic interdependent. Chinese product. Many industry only depends on Chinese raw compost component material. A ban could hurt India. And second, many person, our India many person, our business only Chinese product selling. So, should be banned is not option. That's why.
Can you exactly tell me the data how much we are exporting and importing from China?
Ma'am, Chinese products should be banned. You support, but PM Modi is not. Should be Chinese product. PM Modi banna stop it. Comport and import business.
Ma'am, haven't you heard PM Modi has also said like it? Yeah,
PM Modi also said, and not do.
ma'am. In all his speeches, he said that in all his speeches he will say that don't promote China's product, don't purchase even China's product, any product.
So that's why India products. India products कहाँ हैं? China. Many shopkeepers aren't selling only Chinese product. Where is Indian products? Diwali, Holi, every year. Where Indian is do work Indian product?
Ma'am, Can you tell me what is the product which is separate, like which is spread all over the country? Which one we purchase is spread? Have you ever purchased the things which are made in India?
Made in India, very few products were made in India. Lots of product China's in the market life. Lots of product or lots of product very good quality
That is the
Chinese
problem.
product.
What kind of good quality? Ma'am, that is very
Aati
shameful
aati.
fact that you are, as Indian, you have no like credibility for Indian products. Eventually, we have supported ISRO, and you can see the condition of ISRO today. We have not credibility for our country's product. That's why we are failing everywhere. We people of India contribute to everything, and we have no belief. Belief is the root of everything. So we don't have belief. We will not.
I believe in India. I believe in India. So Chinese
Yes, that is
because of India's product is very high price. India product is India invention is a little product and not a good quality.
Ma'am, whatever have the quality, they have expenses. So India is having quality with the expenses. Don't you know about the boat? It is of like 250 to 500.
Good evening, my dear friends and respected sir. Today I'm here to support the Chinese products should not be banned, because if I'm thinking uh, from the EV sector to batteries, and from to electronic component to solar panels, all the components are come from China, and it's a make our it's a make affordable, cheapest, and best quality. That's why I'm supporting. And in the last, I would like to say, ban is bold, but brave. Smart is a brave idea. Ban is bold, but smarter is a brave. Thank you.
Sir, what is the definition of best quality in your site?
In my view, the best quality means which is more durable and not affect, not breach the privacy, and not breach the privacy, and that thing. That.
Sir, do you think your Chinese product are not breaching your privacy?
Do you think the Indian brand not using your personal data to gaining uh, economical growth?
Sir, as you have earlier said that we are talking about majority. So we are having majority Chinese products, so which are having more breaches.
Okay, we have the same majority in other foreign products. What you think about this?
Sir, mhm, I don't think anything about it. I think about China. Now I am thinking about China, so we should discuss about China.
Okay. Now I am thinking about the other countries. I think you have a not self awareness.
Sorry, sir.
You should have a self awareness so that
So self.
your data is going outside. Anyone is using that data. You have to self awareness that you should use that product. So
Mhm.
that
So what?
so what I am saying that कि मतलब we all have the मतलब self awareness that our data is taking anyone for their use. So everyone should have the self awareness that I'm saying. Yes, sir.
Uh, as I'm as I'm talking about the logic, then ban is not a solution. If government make a strong regulation policy rule, then it is the right thing to,
Which kind of regulation and rules government
like
should make?
the government have improved the cyber security rules.
If you are saying that government should not impose a ban on it, then why 8 years earlier government has imposed the ban on such kind of like some things
Then
made
he-
of China?
Then,
Sir, I'm asking to Prince.
then his work on it, मतलब ये work काम किया.
But government has imposed we people have not supported it. That's why it doesn't work.
Now, why we are not supporting? Because we have the
Because of the lack of the credibility, because of the lack of the belief.
because
That's why.
I'm telling you, because we are not able to afford this. The Indian brand price is more than 30 to 40% of comparison to Chinese products. That's why we are not accepting Indian brand. If you want, if you have the same comparison Chinese product, if you have the same product, then easily everyone can afford and promote the Indian products.
Yes, sir, I agree to you.
My name is Prabhakar Prajapati. I am from Gorakhpur. Thank you for this golden chance, Mr. Rasi sir. Today my topic is Chinese item should be banned. When Chinese item ban, then increase our economics and increase our employment and increase our Indian product qualities and uh, also our prime minister work in this topic my friends also say Atmanirbhar Bharat and Make in India also work and so that's why I am supporting.